My name is Sabra Thomas, and I am the owner of All Creatures Great and Small Veterinary Clinic. And this fellow right here, his name is Vladimir, and he's probably one of my most dedicated employees. He's been with me since I opened the clinic back in 2008. He'll greet you every day as you walk into the clinic. We are a mixed animal practice, meaning we do both small and large animal. We have a great facility next door for evaluating lamenesses, and we have a set of stocks over there, and we have a couple recovery stalls, and we actually have a digital x-ray unit for using on the horses as well. The small animal portion of the clinic is housed in a small building, but we have all the state-of-the-art equipment. We have a wonderful surgical suite. We use isoflurane and sevoflurane gas anesthesia, which makes anesthesia very safe. We also have a digital x-ray machine, which is wonderful. The nice thing about digital x-ray is we get an answer immediately up on the computer, and it allows us to focus in really on the pet and really determine what's going on. We have a therapeutic laser unit which helps promote healing of deep tissues as well as superficial tissues. We have the ability to do in-house blood work, and we have a full pharmacy so we can dispense medications right from our clinic. We have a full dentistry unit as well. We like to clean and polish all the animals' teeth and give them good smiles, so we ultrasonically polish and scale their teeth.
My dogs hated to go to any vet. You know, they'd rather run out in the freeway and be killed. So we came out here, and they love this vet. They absolutely adore her.
Pets are never very at home in a veterinary setting, and our pets just seem to kind of relax, and I think that's rather unique.
And when you have dachshunds who can relax in a vet clinic, you know you're with skilled people.
You come in and you never have to wait. You're seen right away so they don't get nervous. And they just think she's wonderful, and she's such a competent vet that we wouldn't go anywhere else, would we? No, ever again.
Her rates are very reasonable compared to some of the other clinics that we've been to.
And I think because of that, it encourages compliance with keeping up on routine visits, especially like dental cleanings.
They want to know all about our dog, sort of what the environment is at home for the dog, and I think that's so helpful all around.
Very personalized.
Yeah. They want to get you involved in the treatment and best care of your animal, so you're involved in that whole process.
Not only are you getting care, but you're getting a lot of education. So you leave here and you understand why you're doing what you're doing.
I truly feel one of the way God shows us His love every day is through that love, that unconditional love that our pets give us. And as a veterinarian, I feel like I'm really doing my job if I can do anything to help extend that relationship between my client and their pet.
There's one-on-one care with the dogs, and her staff is wonderful. This little girl here, Chloe, has a heart problem, and she's very good at helping us keep them happy and comfortable as long as we possibly can. It's just a very nice place and comfortable. You know, you don't need additional sterile stress, especially if you've got a sick animal.
We just lost one of our senior dogs here recently, and Sabra and her staff were so good because they knew what we were going through. That's what helped get us through that in many ways, was her team. Like I said, it was almost like having family.
We'll never forget the kindness that we experienced here. They're exceptional people, and we'll never forget that, and we just feel very grateful.
I see so many amazing things in my job every day, and I think one of the most amazing stories I have to tell is that of Champ. He came to us as a puppy, and he had a neck injury, so we treated him with our traditional medicine, and he got better and went home. But then he came back 2 days later, and at this point he couldn't walk at all. He was paralyzed, and so I sent him for an MRI, and the news wasn't good. They said that we should euthanize him, that he was not able to be fixed surgically. And so the owner brought Champ back to my clinic, and when I looked at Champ, he wagged his tail at me. He couldn't move his head or his body, but he wagged his tail. And so when I saw that he wagged his tail, I knew there was hope. And so I sent Champ to a lady who does osteopathy, And with gentle manipulation of his spine, within 3 days he was walking. And I can tell you now, Champ is a hunting dog. And I get a Christmas card from the owners every year thanking me for what I did. And you know, that's it. If I could tell all my clients one thing, it's just not give up hope, because miracles do occur. That's why I do this.
I hope Dr. Thomas's practice just continues to flourish, because with a good heart you can recommend them to everyone else. Absolutely. And they have the same experience, and then they recommend someone. So I hope it just keeps growing and growing.